Valencia team, who are much improved of late, but Carlo Ancelotti once again having to balance what's ahead.
Defending is going to be guarding Real Madrid's goal too.
As for the visitors, Valencia having to make.
Everybody, yeah, really intrigued by this game. Obviously,
Side, and that is Max Aarons. Big day for him as well. The England's Leganas, and then Lewandowski responded with a brace of his own.
No, and when Arsenal,
Isn't it, the style? This is
been obviously the worst game under Côté.
Oh, Mbappe released by Lucas Vazquez. I'm not sure if the flag was up. It appears it was.
For facing Barcelona, they tried to replicate the high line that Barcelona.
In the clear. Can he finish? Well, he goes down. Was it a foul? Tarega was involved. And the referee was right there with his decision.
Here. Read that.
Yeah. And he pulled out a yellow card, didn't he? Was he booking Tarega? Ardashvili. Vinny Jr. And saved by the Georgian stopper. Georgi Mamadashvili, who's on his way away from Valencia at the end of the season and going to Liverpool. Seeing the home team fall behind again, but Mbappe trying to do something about it again, wrestling with Tarega, who has to tread mighty carefully now. The follow-up corner, and Valencia are in front, and it's the captain, Diakabi, who's done it. He's played so little this season, but he comes in, he's handed the armbands, and he's handed his team the lead.
Dylan, the same goal where Tchouaméni and Rudiger scored against Real Sociedad from set pieces, from the same corner spot.
Well, Sadiq was engaged fully there with Freddy Valverde's foot. Now, quick injection of pace and intention, and Mbappe to Vinny Jr., who has a seam, gets to the byline. In comes the corner, flicked on and stabbed home, and Vinny Jr. coming up with just the solution he and Real Madrid needed. An ideal start to the second half, and that will quieten some of the whistles. It's only his third goal in his last. Every other game, and it's always the mark you judge any striker by, as Sadiq is penalised again.
Any Madrid team.
Here's Almeida for Valencia. He's curling that well wide of the goal. His little flicked header. Bellingham with a little jink, and he gets shot away, but going to take on his man, and he does so. Beats him, all ends up and back away from him. And then trying to lovely layoff. Oh, Mbappe. So this is Vazquez. Rich. Lovely touch from Mbappe. Starts. He was there. Big son.
The sporting director, he was the one that
left by Rodrigo. The cross arriving. Vinny Jr. weighing the cross. Rodrigo.
Those goals because Barcelona, Johan Cruyff's Barcelona won their third league in a row that season.
Here comes the free kick and the flick on, and a save required. Frank Gonzalez on his debut. Wasn't the cleanest save ever, but he got the job done. Almeida. Turn pass from Mbappe, driving him wide, but Mbappe picking up his cross and then steering it agonizingly close. This hasn't quite happened for Kylian Mbappe tonight. Not yet, anyway.
No, but he keeps on knocking on that door, and it will eventually open. That
so well. The initial cut in. Lovely cross, and the header was goal-bound. Mamadashvili having to fling himself to get to the ball first. They're asking for a handball. Hendrick is at least steering it to Mbappe. Lucas Vazquez. Laba with the cross. Oh. Fractionally away from connection with Mbappe. He's trying to make it more than a point, perhaps. Delivers the cross. Oh, and it's headed in! It is a stunning development here at the Bernabeu. And the title race may just have tilted firmly in favour of Barcelona. It's Hugo Duro with a potential winner for Valencia.